Hi everyone, I know that you guys want to start trading as soon as possible and you want to know if Degiro is a good European platform for stock trading. So I've been using Degiro for over a year now, and I just want to give my honest opinion on what I think about this software, what I think about buying stocks here, the commission, the speed, and the easiness of the software. So if it's simple or hard, and the language settings, so all that in this video, guys. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you after this intro. So I've been using Degiro for over a year now, but I started using Degiro like 1 year ago, but then stopped using it because I quit stock trading. And now because of this market crash, I started trading some stocks again with my family and my dad, and now we're investing a lot. So I just wanted to tell you guys if you should open an account with it now or not. I just want to remind you that if this video convinces you to make an account with Degiro, I want to remind you that there's a huge waiting list because everyone wants to start investing, and Degiro needs to review your application. So the application system is actually pretty easy and gets reviewed in 1 to 2 days, I'm pretty sure. At least for me that was the case. So you basically have to upload a picture of your passport and your BSN number that you have, so the tax authority can find your money and everything. So with that said, you just have to fill in your name, and the safety is a big thing in Degiro. I feel that it's a very safe platform because you put in your bank account number, and you cannot have a credit card actually, and they want to prevent a lot of fraud basically. So once you can only add one bank account number, and you can only transfer from that bank account number. So if you register a certain bank account number, you cannot transfer from another one or withdraw it to another one. So it's just money going in and money coming out in the same account to keep things easy basically. So the safety, I felt it pretty nice. I felt, yeah, it was pretty safe actually. So other than safety, I want to talk about a bit about the company. Where is it from, and what does it do? So it mainly operates in European countries as far as I know, and it was founded in the Netherlands a few years ago, and it's known for its cheap commissions. So I know there's Trading 212 and eToro, which allows you to copy other people, but I didn't find them that great actually. And even though they're free, they aren't actually free, guys, because you have to pay for withdrawing your money out. But I'm gonna maybe try them again. Maybe they've changed, guys. I don't know. But for now, Degiro. So Degiro for me cost around 50 cents for a limited amount of shares. I think for the U.S. shares, kind of. So the U.S. stock market, the Dow Jones, S&P 500, all those companies in the U.S. stocks cost only 50 cents for I think 1,000 euros worth of shares. Because once I bought a larger quantity than that, and it charged like €1, but it's pretty ridiculous, guys, and it's super cheap. Only 50 cents for that amount is pretty damn amazing. So 50 cents for that. If you want to buy Dutch stocks on the trading platform, it's €2 for an unlimited amount, but if you buy one stock, it's also €2. So it's €2 for that. And if you want to buy German stocks, Italian stocks, English stocks, Spanish stocks, you can buy pretty much all the stocks. I don't think you can buy Indian stocks or Asian or Australian stocks, but mainly European countries and American companies. So those all stocks are €4, and you can buy basically unlimited amount of stocks. And the good thing is that you can literally find any company in this trading platform. Like even the smallest companies with market caps of like 10 million, I guess, you could also find them. You can find any literal penny stock in the world. Obviously in USA and Europe, but so I did find that quite amazing. You need to note that once you deposit money in Degiro and you're not using that money, they put that money into let's say like a fund. It's called a Morgan Stanley fund, and they're investing that money, and you obviously you can lose or get money from that. Currently I'm actually down 10 euros with that, but yeah, so they do invest your money, so it's not like they're not using your money, because you have pretty low interest rates in European countries, I guess. So they do invest your money there. Okay, so with that said, I'm pretty happy with Degiro actually, and the good thing about Degiro is that you could also trade options. I did do options trading for a lot of time, and I traded stocks like ING and stuff. I found it quite helpful, but I guess it's not the best options trading platform, as you need quite a lot of margin to sell puts, which a lot of people do, and you can't combine the options, so a call and a put together, which reduces the margin. I don't know why, it's pretty crazy, but just buying random calls is also fine, I guess, if you know what you're doing. So for call options, you can definitely buy call options there. One thing I couldn't do was trade European options. American options. So if you want to trade American options, I would definitely look into Tastyworks or Interactive Brokers. So other than that said, I want to say one last thing, because I was pretty pissed off with Degiro, and that was I couldn't find commodities, guys. I couldn't find gold, I couldn't find oil. I mean, right now with these ridiculous oil prices, I really want to buy oil, but I just can't buy oil for some stupid reason. So I couldn't find oil, but yeah, that was the last thing I had to say. I want to keep this video short. Make sure to do some of your own investigation and get started with Degiro, I guess. By the way, I'm not sponsoring them or anything, but yeah, Degiro is a nice platform, and I would definitely recommend you to use that. Other than that said, thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to this channel and like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Big